Guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a beginner friendly makeup. So the first thing you're going to do is to get a face wipe and wipe every part of the place you want to apply the makeup on. So this is me wiping my face and my neck because obviously I'm going to apply the makeup on my neck too. So the next thing we want to do is to just make sure your brow pencil is sharpened. So this is me trying to sharpen it up. So we're going to draw our brows. So I'm going to make this really quick. Firstly, you brush out your brows and then you outline it, give it the shape that it needs with the brow pencil. After outlining it, then fill it in, and then after that, after doing that to the first brow, we're going to do that to the other brow too. So guys, the next thing we're going to do here is to take our brow brush, whichever brush you use in outlining your brows after filling it in. So this is the brush I make use of, and this is how I'm doing it. So just watch and you get it. So I'm just going to show you a detailed video of how I do this first one, and then the second one is just going to be So during this brow process, I'm not going to do a lot of talking because, and I won't make it that long because I actually have a video of how I draw my brows, like my full brows. So if you haven't watched it, check it out. Okay guys, I'm done with my brows. We all know brows take a real long time. I don't know about yours, but mine take time. So this is me just giving it the finished look. Well, I won't do much of that here because I won't show much of that here because, like I said before, I've already made a video on how I do my brows. Just clean it, make it all good, and yeah, we're done with our brows. Guys, can we just take a moment for my brows? Look at how it's looking. It's looking real good. Well, I did a really good job, I think. Yeah, it's looking good. So let's just go. Let's continue through the process. Here is me applying my foundation. So just watch, and yeah. To be sincere about this video, I won't lie. I don't really know much about makeup, but whichever way it ends that way. Well, just trust the process. You know that saying, let's trust the process. Yes, let's trust the process. And guys, make sure your beauty blender is damp. Make sure it's not dry, make sure it's damp, it's moist, so it's going to make the foundation go well on your skin. Me looking at this foundation now, it's like it's not even my skin color. I don't even know what I bought, but well, it is well because I don't know, like I said before, I don't know anything about makeup, so let's just trust the process. So all you have to keep doing is keep beating it, keep damping it in your face, hitting it in your face that way, the way I'm doing it. I don't know if it's the right way, but I think it's the right way because I watch videos too, obviously. So I don't know how it's going to look like. So let's just say, like I said before, trust the process. Just watch, and I hope you enjoy viewing, and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like. You can actually pause it now. Like my video, give comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel. You understand this foundation I got? I don't know why it's this way. I know you all can actually see the way it's, the way I'm beating it, the way it's, those stuff doing. I don't know the way it's spreading. I don't really get it. If you know why that happens, you can comment down below and help me out so I can have a better knowledge about that. But we eventually got the end results, and yeah, keep watching. I hope you guys understand. I don't know if you can do your makeup without a mirror, without holding a mirror also, but I didn't realize it was this close to my face because it's literally covering what I'm doing, and you guys are not seeing much of it, but sorry about that, don't mind me. You guys can literally see how this foundation is different from my skin tone form, like, so I'm going to apply it to my neck also, and yeah, this is it. This is, now I've applied it to my neck, and my face and my neck is looking okay, they're looking the same. So this is me still unknowingly covering my face, so I'm just giving it an extra bit, and yeah, this is me just looking like what next, like, you know, I don't know much. I don't know why I'm blowing myself here. I don't know why, but because there was no heat, I wasn't hot. I was just blowing the makeup for it to be dry. Or I don't even know. I just did something. Yeah, but so the next thing we're going to do now is apply our concealer. So this is the concealer I'm making use of, and this is how I'm applying it. I'm not really sure of how to. I'm not really good at doing the nose contour, but anyhow, it's still going to look good. So basically, here I'm using my hand in order to achieve the desired results I want. I don't know why I'm using my hand, but I'm using it because I think it's much more smoother and softer. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, so here I'm applying the finishing powder. This is the finishing powder I got. I got the darker one. I don't know where I got it, but if people are selling things, they'll convince you to get. No matter what, they just convince you to get it that way. So I was convinced, and yeah, this is it. This is how it's looking like. Instead of using brush or whatever, I used the foam that it came with, and yeah, this is how I'm applying it. Just watch through it. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it. So just trust the process. Trust the process because I don't know what I'm looking like or who I'm looking like right now, but trust the process. We're going to let it sit and then apply our eyeliner and mascara. After that, once you're done with that, just dust off the excess powder. The next thing we're going to be doing here is to be applying the lipstick. Apply any lipstick of your choice. This is the lipstick I'm making use of. I'm just trying to make it as natural as possible. So just apply additional powder to finish it off, and then we are done. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is how it's looking like. I don't know if I did well, but yeah, like I said, trust the process, and it's actually looking real nice. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell to notify you on when next I upload a new